Bura ma Kimili Didmas Barasa ochwalo paro mar yango jodongo mag dhoudi kod gwenge e chik mar Kenya. Kendo yango ting' ma gin go obed machal e Kenya mangima. Kolosim komiti mar od bura mar budget Barasa omedo wacho ni bang' pen chik yango gi, jodongo go dhi konyo e winjo buche matindo tindo e kind jopiny. Wach madhi duoko piny dhungruok mag buche do. Kata kamano paro ma chikno owito oko paro mar miyo jodongo go chudo mar dwe ka dwe. Barasa wacho ni jodongo go ibiro miyo thuolo mar yudo kony mar omenda kowuok kuom riwruoge mochung' kar kendgi kata jochiw kony. Chikno bende dhi yango kaka ibiro yiero jodongo mag gwenge, kaka inyalo golgi e apisi kaachiel gi rang'iny madwarore.
What I seek to cure, Honorable Chair, is to provide a framework under which the leaders of our clans can be recognized by law. There is a criteria that the members of their clan will follow when they are appointing these leaders of our clans, Honorable Chair. And what I want also to do is that I want to remove that clause that requires them to be paid a stipend of 10,000 per month, and we should replace it with they may solicit or fundraise funds, meaning that they can be well-wishers can donate their money to their clans, NGOs can donate the money to their clans, they can find their own alternative way of soliciting for funds. I made the decision in line of our economic time that we are speaking today, and also not to put a stopgap to this bill because of it being a money bill.
And I think even from our budget committee, when we go around on public participation, mostly these village elders are the ones who come in and actually also make sure that others come in. When we finish this meeting, informally, or we have to give them transport, some stipend. So to me, I think that if the amount that is supposed to be paid to them is reasonable and will not give us any issues in the budget, I think